Today I am checking out my new hay spear that was sent to me so I could do this review. Let me get this thing out of the box, get it put together, and test it out. So this is the frame out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and do some measurements on it so you can see exactly the size. So measuring it all the way across on the inside where your universal connector plates are gonna go, this is 44 3/4 inches on the inside for clearance. This is the universal quick connect on my skid steer. This is 44 1/2 inches. So it's gonna have about 1/4 inch play. So that's gonna sit there nice and tight and not have a lot of wiggle in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the frame on here, and then we're gonna put the rest of the spear pieces on it. All right, and there's the frame of this hay spear on the front of my skid steer. Man, it fits perfect. I mean, like I said, it's got just a little bit of space on each side for clearance, so it's nice and tight on there. The bottom fits perfect down on the bottom. I'm gonna check how well these go down. And yeah, pins go down in there with no problem on both sides. Now I'm gonna get the large spear that it comes with and then the two smaller spears. When it comes to the large main spear, you just take the nut off, which is down there, off the threads, and you just slide this straight into this hole. And now I'm gonna put the nut on this, thread it in nice and tight, and your main spear here at the top will be put in. So the big spears tighten down. These small spears, they have a groove on them, and you put them down in here, and then you loosen up this bolt to allow them to slide in, and then you tighten down the bolt, which then keeps them from coming out because that bolt goes down into that groove. And I just have it hand tight, but I'll get a crescent wrench, tighten that down. Then you'll have your lower spears. Your big spear here is to pick up the bale. Most of the weight's on this big spear. These two smaller spears underneath are just to balance it to keep that bale from moving. And that's it. So I'm gonna get this other one tightened down, get all of them tightened, and we're gonna go put it in a bale of hay. So yeah, really nice long hay spear here. It's got a really stout frame, nice long spear. It's got the leveling spears. It's gonna do everything I want it to do. And these are 5x6 bales. They're pretty heavy. And that thing still went through really far, picked up the bale with no problem. I really think I'm gonna like this hay spear. I think it's gonna work out for you too. And I hope all of this information is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.